Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys the Redmi phone hotspot setting, and today video title guys how to share mobile network one phone to second phone. Friends, you want to share your hotspot, you want to share your mobile network. So friends, how to share in this video guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on hotspot setting, and friends you can just share option is not here. So first of all you will have to on your Redmi phone hotspot. So friends, on your mobile hotspot, after on friends you can just share QR code. Friends, click on share QR code option, and friends this one friends I will connect this mobile hotspot. So I will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Wi-Fi setting, and guys you can see guys Redmi mobile hotspot. So if I click here, so when I will have to enter password. So guys I will not enter password direct friends, I will click scanner option, and friends I will scan Redmi phone mobile hotspot QR code. After scan friends you can see connect mobile Redmi, connect here, done. Friends, you can see we have connected Redmi phone mobile hotspot and we can use it. So friends, you can see I can on YouTube app and I can use YouTube. After connect mobile hotspot, and friends if you off your mobile hotspot friends, you can see I cannot use YouTube app. Friends, you can see no connection, offline. Friends, you can see we are offline. So friends, again if you on, so friends you can see I can go back online and I can use again YouTube app, I can use internet on my device. Friends, you can see back online, and guys now we can use it. So like that friends, you can share guys your mobile hotspot, your Redmi phone to any Android phone device. And friends, now we will forget this network, and friends we want to connect with password, so you can connect with password also, but guys you will have to tell password to your friend. So by this password 112211223345, and friends you can check password, same password here. So we will connect. So guys you can connect with password and you can connect with QR code also. So like that friends, we can use hotspot share setting on Redmi mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt on your device, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.